How do you share a document video which is above 2 gigabytes on the iPhone? Let me show you the options that we have available. And if it's your first time here on a Foxtecc, make sure you become part of the community by subscribing, so that way you'll never miss anything important. Well, of course, the videos are problematic when it comes to sharing them over the internet. And the best way by far, if you ask me, is to use some sort of cloud storage service. For example, the Google Drive is the choice of mine, the default one, where I can just open up the Drive app on my iPhone and choose a folder, and I'm just going to click on plus and upload a file. So this is going to move me over to my photos and videos, and I can find the video which is above 2 gigabytes, and I can just upload it to the Drive platform. And in order to share it with someone, I just set up the access for for the video to be accessible with a link. So I'm gonna just get inside, click on the video right there, tap on the three dots, and I'm just gonna click on manage access. This just means that I'm going to click that anyone with a link will be able to view the file, and then I'm going to click on the link button to copy it. And now it's pretty simple because all I have to do is just to share that link with anyone I want to have the access to that video. So for example, it might be over a text message or most likely as an email, right? And the best part about it is that the video is not losing quality because it's fully uploaded the full size. It's not getting compressed through any app, right? It's just fully there on the Drive platform, and the other party can easily access it and download it in a full size and quality on their device as well. So this is by far the best method to do it. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know what you think and subscribe for the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.